Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth day of the IPL quiz and welcome to the YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel and don't forget to like and share the video. So here we go without doing any further delay. So question number 1, if ESPN stands for Entertainment and Sports Programming Network, what is ESCN? Remember this is IPL quiz. So remember this is IPL quiz. So ESPN stands for Entertainment and Sports Programming Network. What is ESCN? Or better I can say hashtag ESCN. So what does that stand for? You have to think about a particular team, then go for what ESCN might stand for. So think on that line. You will get the answer. Moving on to next question, question number 2. This one was easy. Moving on to question 2. He made his first class debut for Uttar Pradesh in 2017-18 Ranji Trophy on 6 October 2017, a month before he turned 17. 3 years later, on the same day, he made debut in IPL, playing for Rajasthan Royal, ended with a figure 4-0-36-1. So basically 4 overs, no maiden, 36 run and 1 wicket. So identify and who was his debut wicket in IPL. So looking for two-part answer, identify this particular bowler and who was his debut wicket in IPL. So interestingly, his Ranji Trophy debut was also on 6 October 2017 and his IPL debut was also on 6 October but 3 years later. So who are we talking about and who was his debut wicket in IPL? Easy one. Question number 3 now. This is Chaudhry Raghavendra Singh. He founded something on July 4, 1946 that played a very significant role in the IPL getting kick-started in 2008. How was whatever he started significant in history of IPL? So what he founded, if you know that, obviously you would know how was this particular thing significant in the history of IPL. So Chaudhry Raghavendra Singh founded something in the July 4, 1946. So kickstart in 2008 is a giveaway hint. I said history of IPL, that is a giveaway hint. So think on that line, a particular company. So think on that line, you will get what we are looking for. So if you know what company it is, so obviously you know how it was the part of the history of IPL. Moving on to question number 4 without doing any further delay. Question 4, which left-handed all-rounder is credited to have hit the 100 as well as the 306 in the IPL history? So he hit the 106 of the IPL history and the 306 as well. So who is this? Which all-rounder? So left-handed all-rounder. So who is this person who hit the 100 and the 306 in the IPL history? Quite an easy one. Moving on to question number 5. The Kochi Tuskers Kerala team had a particular reason behind the jersey colors. According to the team owner, what were the colors in the jersey and what did they denote? So if you know what were the color, obviously you would know what did they denote. So whatever in the field of IPL those color denote is what we are looking for. So if you think how the jersey of Kochi Tuskers Kerala look like and work on the color which this particular jersey was, then you will know what did they denote according to the team owner. So remember one thing, according to team owner, so this particular color of the jersey denotes something. So what exactly are we looking for? Moving on to question number 6. The leading wicket taker for India in 2011 World Cup played for how many teams in IPL? He last played for Delhi Daredevils. So this is a dedicated question. So he last played for Delhi Daredevils. So as I said, this is a dedicated question. Probably you can think why I said this line. Then work on the player and think how many teams he played for as of now. And he last played for Delhi Daredevils. So that was the question. Leading wicket taker for India in 2011 World Cup played for how many teams in IPL cricket? As simple as that. Moving on to question number 7. He is a wicket-keeper batsman who plays for Kings 11 Punjab in IPL. He made his IPL debut in 2013. Who is this player who scored the fastest half century in the world in the IPL? So who is this player who scored the fastest half century in IPL? So this cricketer now plays for Kings 11 Punjab and he made his IPL debut in 2013. So who are we looking for? Just tell me who is this who scored the fastest half century in IPL as well. Easy one. Question number 8. He is a right-handed batsman and a right-arm bowler who made his debut in Test cricket at the age of 17. He is also co-vice captain of his national team. Who is this player from Kolkata Knight Rider, who is the most expensive player of the IPL 2020? So this person is the co-vice captain of his national team and is a right-handed batsman and right-arm bowler, so he is an all-rounder. He made his debut in the Test cricket at the age of 17. At the keen age of 17, he made his debut. So this player was bought by Kolkata Knight Rider this year and also the most expensive player of IPL 2020. Who are we looking for? Identify this batsman and bowler. So basically looking for the name of the all-rounder. Moving on to next question, question number 9. So he is an Indian politician, MP from Maharashtra. He was a former chairman of IPL. Owing to some corruption as well as IPL spot fixing cases, he resigned from the post, though he was again appointed as the chairman later on. Who is he? How is he related to IPL now? And in hint, he is not the chairman anymore. So looking for who is he? So identify this person and how is he related to IPL now? Formerly, he was the chairman of IPL and due to the corruption and spot fixing cases, he resigned from the post and was again appointed as the chairman. So simply tell who is he and how is he related to IPL now. So Indian politician from Maharashtra, probably easy one. Moving on to the last question. Before moving on to the last question, thank you for watching the full video and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are yet to subscribe. Do like the video, share with your friends and answer in the Google form that is provided in the description. Don't forget to do that. Answer only in the Google form that is provided in the description of this video. So now let's move on to the last question, question number 10. So who is this person who was the coach of Punjab team in IPL 2008? So who is this person, coach of Punjab team in IPL 2008? Probably easy one, or simply identify this person in the image is what we are looking for. So a quick rewind. In question number 10, looking for this person who was the coach of the IPL team in 2008 Punjab IPL team. Question 9, looking for the person and how is it related to IPL now. So he was the Indian politician, MP from Maharashtra, former chairman of IPL, some corruption, spot fixing, he resigned, and again appointed as a chairman later. So who is the person and how is he related to IPL? Question 8, looking for the most expensive player of the IPL 2020, easy one. now playing for Kolkata Knight Rider. As it was said, he is right-handed and right-armed bowler, right-handed batsman and right-arm bowler. Made his debut at the age of 17. Question number 7. Who scored the fastest half century in IPL is what you are looking for. Question 6. Looking for the leading wicket taker for India in 2011. Played for how many teams in for how many teams in IPL total? He last played for Delhi Daredevil is what is given in the question. Question 5. Looking for the significance of the colors of the Kochi-Discus Kerala. So Kochi-Discus Kerala has a particular color of the jersey. So what is the significance of those colors? Question 4. Looking for the left-handed batsman, left-handed all-rounder who is credited to have hit the 100 and the 306 of the IPL history. Question 3. Looking for the something he founded and which was part of the IPL history. So what are we looking for? To identify this person who made his debut exactly 3 years later of his debut in Ranji Trophy, and who was his debut in the IPL, who was his debut wicket in IPL. Question 1. So what is the full form of ESCN? So that's all from today's video. Thank you for watching the whole video, and hope you will join in the future as well, and answer before 9 p.m. So submit your answer before 9 p.m.